Welcome, adventurers. Today we are at Charles Mound, the highest point in Illinois. We are getting started here. This is a pretty short hike. It's only about 1.25 miles out and back, so 2.5 total. Yeah, it's probably like 55 degrees. It's rainy and misty. It's I guess it's not really raining, it's just kind of misting right now. Visibility's kind of low, which is kind of a bummer because this is a high point, so there should be views, but can't win them all. It's interesting hiking amongst the farm field with the red barn in the distance. Climbing I believe our last steep incline. So, to get here to Charles Mound, this is on private land. And the land just changed hands this spring. So, the new owners have agreed to leave it open, but they changed where you're supposed to park, and now it's 1.25 miles hike instead of like a 1/2 mile hike. Which is fine. But there's a little sign that says instead of going to the normal place where Google tells you to go, you're supposed to go to 668 Charles Mound Road. And there's a gate for Charles Mound. They only open it for I think it's the first 3 weekends. The first weekend of each month. June, July, and August. And here we are, folks. Charles Mound. The highest point in Illinois. 1,235 feet. All right. We made it, everybody. This is kind of interesting because here's the survey marker, but it looks like the ground is higher over there, so it's weird, but awesome. This makes more sense. There's another survey marker over here. It's a little higher over here, so it's supposed to be the high point. Standing on it. Woo! Man, the mosquitoes here are insane. Well, I signed the registry, the guest book. There's not really much else here, just this view. Well, I hung out here for like 10-15 minutes. But man, these mosquitoes are insane right now. So I think I'm gonna get headed back. Highpoint number 11 achieved. Highpoint number 11. All right. As of now, I don't have any future plans for any more high points. I mean, I do plan on doing more, but I don't have any plans in the works. So, I don't know which one to do next. Let me know in the comments which one you would like to see me do next. And I'll put that in my consideration. Alright, back at the car. Charles Mound. Highpoint number 11. You know, I originally from like the pictures and stuff, it looked like you're walking through someone's yard, someone's farm. But it really wasn't. There was a lot of vegetation. You were kind of hidden away from the openness, kind of hidden in the trees and the bushes. There's nice little trickling streams, like irrigation streams back there, so you get the nice little trickling sounds and lots of birds. It was a nice little walk. Short, but nice. Thanks everyone for joining me. Appreciate you joining me. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I'll see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.